Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Jimmy Trades here, back again. We'll be trading. We're going over today, which happened Monday, February 4th. Uh, so what I traded was Saya and ALXN. I told my friends, this group chat that I tell everyone to buy stocks in. I told them to buy these two stocks right here, which I called this on a flip. So if you don't know what a flip is, it means the day before the stock is high, and then in the morning it'll pull back to a certain percent and then pull back up. So we bought it down here about $59. If you want to see, we did a call on it. So yeah, last night we told them, hey, we're gonna buy this. So I bought it two contracts, $50 a piece, and then today I ended up selling it those two contracts for $150 a piece. So we ended up making $300 off that, guys. If you want to be in, if you want to trade stocks and make money like I am, make sure you guys click the link down below. Also, if you guys need help, let me know in the comments. If you need help with what stocks to look at, need analysis on it, I'll make analysis on it for you on YouTube. If you guys let me know what stocks you're looking at, and I'll go ahead and do that for you. But right now, we're looking at this one, which I already sold, so I'm going to be taking this off the list. I thought it would pull back, which it did when I sold it, but it pulled back up, so that's whatever. I'm over it. Over that one too. Roku. I saw this thing up at $50 today, and I was like, you know what? Should I put a put on it? If I did, I would have made about, I don't know, $50 gain maybe, just because it did pull back. MPC, we're not looking at that. ADM. So I did go ahead and put a buy-in for ADM since the earnings are tomorrow morning. So we'll see. Hopefully, I'm thinking that the stock, now that it pulled back, it's gonna go up, because this is what I was literally waiting for. I was waiting for it to go up or pull back so I can take it up on the higher route. But yeah. So the next stock we'll be looking at FedEx. I still have a long-term buy on this. I believe this is gonna be pulling up, guys. Yeah, it completely pulled up past the last candle wick, so I'm looking probably 210, maybe higher. Hopefully it goes to 240, 260 range, because then we're looking at really good gain, guys. If you guys haven't bought this, we're looking at a call for about April 18th. You can do it. It's $5 a piece. I got a 240 call in there. Make sure you guys get in there if you want to, if you believe that it's gonna go past. If you don't, then don't get in there. Uh, why is my account lower? If you guys were wondering, I did withdraw money from last week. And if I was awake in the morning, I slept until like 10:30. If I was awake, I literally would have sold it right here, or maybe there. But either way, yeah, this my SAIA would have been sold. Um, but yeah, I got a buy-in for ADM, two buys. ALX, this one it pulled back. I was kind of upset about that. Literally, beginning of the day, like it bounced. I think I got in about right around here. Um, yeah, got in right around here, and then it just kept pulling down. I didn't like right as I woke up, I was like, oh shit, it missed earnings, so I'm gonna sell it, but I couldn't find the transaction to it when I put it in. These GE calls, I just got to get rid of them. Like these are just gonna go. I have like a few little puts on them. This GD call, I told you guys about this last week. I messed this up. I was supposed to do a 175 call, which if I did that, let's see, GD, like it would have been the same price to do 175 for the 185 call I did. Yeah, literally, it would be perfectly what I need it to be at. It's at 174. No, it's 174.89. Yeah, I would have been making bank on this thing. That's when I made my pivot lines at, because I was gonna pull down, it pulled back, and it's pulling up again. But it's gonna pass this time. Hopefully we get that 180 range, because if it gets 180, then I can still make a profit on GD. Grubhub, we're looking for a buy on this one. Its earnings is coming up, I think, the 7th, so it's Thursday. We're looking at a buy. Also, Boot Barn, we're looking at a buy on this stock. I didn't. I think the earnings are today or tomorrow morning. I didn't get a buy in though. My buy that I had on Boots. Let's see. I think it got canceled. This is funny. Boot Barn's actually a local store to me. It's funny. Uh, yeah, it got canceled. I tried doing 183, $5 a piece. What is that option even at? 30. It's at 10. Yeah, it did go up. I don't know. I might actually. I kind of want to get a call in here anyways because that's like a $60 gain or $70 gain. If the stock goes up $5 tomorrow, or no, $2. This goes below the line, and then this one will be this line right here. So this would be the 73. Just think of it as like a ladder. When you climb up the ladder, one goes down, the other step goes up. They keep falling. Uh, I don't know if you guys understood what I'm saying. Then you're golden. But everyone else, let me know in the comments if you need help. Also, let's see. Is there anything else I want to go over with you guys? If you guys could be like interactive with it, with my videos, that'd be great. It would like really help you guys out. Not so much me, cause like I don't really need help with stocks. But for everyone else who does need help, just let me know in the comments what you're looking over. Glue right here. Like, okay, we called this. We knew it was gonna pull up today. Earnings is happening. Is that tomorrow morning? Yeah, we'll see. I think it's gonna pull back all. Okay, it already did pull back. It's like if it hits the cloud, so 890, 880. I'll look in a buy and hopefully it comes back up. But I don't know. I'm not seeing a Kumo twist happening. I'm seeing a lot of volume in here. So if we look at it if you guys are gonna buy this tomorrow morning, make sure you're up at 8:30. Make sure you got like a buy-in about right around here, maybe a little bit lower. I'm not sure. Also, big news, guys. I am now teaching a program in March at WKU. So if you guys want to join me, it's campus wide. If anyone of you go to this school on campus, you guys are welcome to join in. DLA, let's see, does this reach actually, we couldn't even play options with DLA, so we're just going to get rid of that. CS, WC, I don't like this chart. Let's see, let's look at the 1 day. I'm trying to go over this like as quick as possible, guys. Just, I got stuff to do. Shout out to Peter, leaving my first comment on my video. Let's see. Yeah, we got a lot of disequilibrium right here. Since it pulled back so far, this could pull back even farther. Let's get this out of here. KMT, I'm pretty sure this earnings was this week. Yeah, did this happen today? It did, and it did pull up. Wondering why that was on my list, yeah. Deck, oh dude, I literally perfectly got in and out of this. I sold this 146, pulling back now. It's just gonna be like this. Goes up, pulls down, it's gonna pull all the way down. Resistance. Actually, if you guys want to put a put on this, you probably could. It did beat earnings recently though, so I would watch it heavily, but let's see. Visa. When's their earnings? Already happened. Oh, dude, look at all these hammerheads, and then it just pulls down. Hammerhead again. We're looking for 151 on that Visa. Let's get rid of that. I don't want to look at it anymore. PayPal. Dude, I hate looking at that stock. Malibu. Dude, this one was... I was thinking this was going to pull back. Did it pull back? Did not. 139. And the earnings tomorrow. Or was that today? No. Hold on. Cancel that. Yeah, earnings is on the 6th. Okay, so hopefully we get a pullback up here, maybe 39.40 era now. And then we're looking at a high gain. I'm probably going in on this stock as well. Coca-Cola, yeah, let's get that out of there. We don't need that. Pepsi, earnings coming up in 2 weeks in Pepsi. Make sure you guys are watching that. UPS, earnings already happened. Let's get rid of that. Glue, it's going down. Citigroup, already happened. Also, guys, make sure you're watching for dividend stocks too, just because you can get in on dividends. All right, Bank of America, guys, we're looking at a pullback right now. We got this through the trend line, this through the cloud, or the lagging spends through the cloud as well. So this is going to be a nice little trend of 30 probably. So if you're looking at that too, try to find buy-in points. If you guys need help, though, just let me know in the comments. I'll make sure to help you guys out. GD, AIT. AIT is still on a hold, guys. This is on a hold. Pulls back this level. I'm selling it. Hopefully we get up around 63 range again. Let's see, Amazon. I don't like you. Get out of here. Anthem, yeah, you can sell that if you are still holding on to it. CLS, oh my goodness, I am amazed in how correct I was. I told my roommate, okay, so we put a call up because it pulled up to $10. I told him this day, I'm like, yo, buy this stock, put it as a put. We missed the buy by 1 penny, dude, and it's literally at 8. He would have made so much money off this. Like with the account he has like a $20 account. He would have probably made $100, which that's a lot for a $20 account. Like, look, if you look at my weekly, yeah, I withdraw money, but look, start of the week $54, end of the week 800. At one point I was at almost $1,200. So you want to turn $50 into $1,200, make sure you're following the course. This stock right here, guys, 100% buy. It's a buy. I'm currently waiting for a pullback. This was the pullback I was waiting for. I wasn't active though. I was in class. If I saw this, I would have bought in. I'm not sure. I'm waiting for another pullback. Hopefully we get another little pullback, then I'm buying. I'm buying this stock. Dude, this is going to be the, what's it called? I think it's CGC maybe? Yeah, this is literally the same company, pretty much. It's going to go from here, the $25 range, all the way up to the 50. And how long was that? How long did that take? I think a month. Yeah, dude, 1 month. Boom. Pull up again. So look for those stocks I told you guys about, and I'll see you in the next one, which it will be tomorrow. So make sure you're there. If you guys want me to trade live, let me know, and I will do that. All right. I just showed you guys my homework. Whoops. Let's get rid of this, and let's get out of here. Where is it? There we go. Stop recording. Peace.